Okay, students, so we are going to discuss some problems. This is the DPP of surface chemistry. Some very good questions are there. That is the first question we can see. Size of colloidal particles varies from. So what will be the size order here? That is in centimeter. If we consider it is 10 power minus 5 to 10 power minus 7 centimeter. So obviously in meters it will be 10 power minus 7 to 10 power minus 9 meters. So A will be the answer. When a substance comes in colloidal state, the surface area of the particles. So when a substance comes in colloidal state, the surface area of the particle always increases. Is it clear to everybody? Any substance when it is approaching or comes in the contact of colloidal state, then surface area always increases. Which one of the following is not a colloidal solution? Smoke is a colloidal solution. Ink is also colloidal solution. Blood is also colloidal solution. But air is not colloidal solution. Air is not the colloidal solution. But when in some room, suppose smoke is there, some dust particles are there, then we can say it is a colloidal solution. Ferric, when dispersed phase is liquid and dispersion medium is gas, then the colloidal system is called what? Here this is smoke is having what? Solid and gas. So obviously it will be what? Cloud. Cloud is having what? Liquid is the dispersed phase and dispersion medium is gas. In the clouds, air is the dispersion medium and liquid water is a dispersed phase. After that we can see ferric hydroxide salt is positively charged colloidal. The population power of NO3 minus, SO4 2 minus and PO4 3 minus. So according to Hardy and Sulz rule, the ion which is having more valency will have the more coagulating power. So answer will be what? PO4 3 minus is having 3 negative charge. It is having 2 minus. The ion which is having more charge, either positive or negative, it will have the more coagulating power. Hardy and Sulz rule. So obviously answer C will be there. After that we can see the stability of lyophilic colloids is due to charge of their particles. No, charge of their particles is for lyophobic, a layer of dispersion medium on their particles. No, this is also for lyophobic, the smaller size of their particles. No, the large size of their particles. So this should be the answer. Question number 6. We can check the answer again. So this should be, a layer of dispersion medium on their particles. This is for lyophilic colloids. So answer will be B. Flocculation value is expressed in terms of millimole per liter. Flocculation value is expressed in terms of millimole per liter. It is the amount of an electrolyte required for precipitate a particular colloidal solution. So it is measured in millimole per liter. Which of the following electrolyte have maximum coagulating power? Obviously, the electrolyte which is having more positive or more negative charge. So CCl4. Here carbon is having +4, but it is not an electrolyte. This is electrolyte. KCl is also electrolyte. NaCl is also electrolyte. So ZnCl2 is having more +2 charge. So it is having the more coagulating power. Purification of colloids is done by the process of electrophoresis. Is what? It is used for the precipitation of colloidal solution. Electrodispersion is used for preparation of colloidal solution. Peptidation is also used for preparation of colloidal solution. Ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration is used for purification. So for purifying a colloidal solution, we need ultrafiltration or dialysis. These two processes are there. Delta at the rivers are formed. So why the delta is formed? Due to coagulation. Due to coagulation, delta is formed. After that, we can see ferric chloride is applied to stop bleeding out. Fe3 positive coagulate blood, which is a negatively charged soul. So blood is having the negative charge, so that's why up positively charged. This Fe3 positive is used. After that, alum helps in purifying water by adding, suppose potassium in the powdered form, if we add in the water, it will purify the water. How it will purify the water? Because forming SI complex with clay particles, no sulfate part combined with dirt and removes it, no aluminium which coagulate the mud. This aluminium will coagulate what? Mud particles. So they will settle down in the form of precipitate. So 12th question, answer C should be there. Yes, answer C is there. After that, on adding few drops of dilute HCl or FeCl3 to freshly precipitated ferric hydroxide, a red colored colloidal solution is obtained. This phenomenon is known as what? Peptidization. Peptidization is what? When we are adding an electrolyte in the freshly precipitate, then colloid formation takes place. So this process is called peptidization. The number of moles of lead nitrate. Lead nitrate means Pv 2 positive and 2 NO3 minus. So here, how many moles will be required to coagulate 2 moles of colloidal Ag I minus? So here this I minus will convert into PbI2. If 2 moles of I minus will require only 1 mole of Pb2 positive. So answer will be 1. That is B answer. Which of the following is correct about lyo? They are irreversible. Lyophilic. Lyophilic are reversible. They are formed by inorganic substances. They are readily coagulated by flow. They are self-stabilized. So lyophilic salts are self-stabilized. Which of the following does not give a colloidal solution of sulfur? So colloidal solution of sulfur, that is bubbling of oxygen through a solution of H2S in water. So this sulfur is forming, this is the colloidal solution, passing H2S in very dilute HNO3. Here oxidation of this one will take place. So this is also will form colloidal solution. Solution of sulfur in alcohol is added to water. Sulfur will dissolve in alcohol. So this is the solvent exchange method. So this will also form colloidal solution. Sulfur shaken with distilled water. Note by this way colloidal solution will not obtain. Is it clear to everybody? Nylon is an example of nylon. So nylon is having a very large number of molecules. So macromolecular colloidal solution. Nylon is an example of macromolecular colloidal solution. After this, we can see which of the following is correctly matched: emulsion, curd, foam, mist, aerosol, smoke, solid, salt, cake. So what should be the answer? This C should be the answer. Aerosol is what? Smoke. Soap removes grease by adsorption, coagulation, emulsification. So soap is removing due to that micelle formation is taking place. So due to micelle formation, what is taking place? Emulsification with the grease. So this will be the answer C. After that, gold, number of casein, hemoglobin and gelatins are respectively, which is most powerful protecting agent. So for the protecting agent, if lesser is the value of gold number, more will be its protecting power. So what should be the answer? Gelatin require 0.005 here. So C should be the answer. This is actually gelatin. Gelatin. This is what gelatin. So C should be the answer. So again, in the next class, we will discuss some more problems. Now I am leaving.